In software, go to the data folder, select your data file, drag it to the origin software, minimize the window, select the column, then use a line plot. So either you can go to the left bottom corner or even at the top, click on the plot and select the line option, click on the line, maximize the window. This is the XRD data where x-axis is a true theta and y is the intensity. Here we can see the background looks noisy. So how to smooth that one? Go to analysis and over here go to the signal processing. In the signal processing, go to the smooth option. In the smooth option, choose open dialog. So first click on the auto preview option. So here we can see the red one is a smooth and the black line is the original experimental data. And if you go to the method option, then there are few methods which can be used to smooth the data. Here I'll be showing example by using adjacent averaging. So click on this method and then you can choose the point of window. So depending on the point of window, the data smoothness will vary. So to see more closer view, select the zoom option and select the area which is more noisy. Now you can go to the point of window option and change point of window to say let's 20 and then take a look. So you can see the red line is the smooth one and the black is the noisy one, which is the experimental data. So let's consider 10 and this way it can help you to smooth the data. There are other multiple options. I hope you can try other options and leave a comment in the comment box. So click on OK and it will show a comparison between the experimental data and the red line is the smooth data. Go to the layer 1 option that's on the left upper corner, double click. And here we can see the column B is the experimental data and the C is the smooth data. Select them, group it and apply. Now you can go in the bottom and click on this stacked line by Y offset. So it will help you to stack the line. Now in this way you can get a clear difference between the original experimental data and the smooth data. I hope you may have learned something through this video. If you like it, do share and subscribe. Also please press the bell icon button so that you will be updated with such type of new videos.